In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the same task to multiple projects with ease. Whether you're managing a personal project or coordinating a team effort, knowing how to efficiently manage tasks across multiple projects can be a game changer. So, let's dive in and get you up to speed on this straightforward process. To get started, you'll first want to locate the specific task you intend to add to other projects. Begin by navigating through your task list until you find that exact item you wish to work with. Once you've pinpointed the task, click on it to bring up more detailed information. You'll notice that a side panel opens up on the right, giving you a comprehensive view of the task details. In this panel, you'll find several options that can help you modify and organize your task efficiently. Among these options, there's one specifically labeled for projects. Look for the Add to Projects feature within this section. This is your gateway to assigning your task to multiple projects, enhancing your productivity by saving you the time and effort of recreating tasks across different groups. Once you click on Add to Projects, a small input field will appear, inviting you to type the name of the other project or projects where you'd like this task to be included. As you begin typing, a list of potential matches from your existing projects may appear. Simply click on the correct project from this list to add the task to it. Repeat this process for any additional projects you want to associate with this task. Doing so ensures that everyone involved with those projects can see and work on the task, without any need for duplication or error-prone copying. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully added your selected task to multiple projects. This method not only streamlines your workflow, but also improves collaboration and task tracking across your various endeavors. Remember, organizing tasks in this way can help prevent confusion and overlap, allowing you and your team to focus more on getting things done effectively. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, feel free to explore more in-depth guides on task management and continue honing your skills to become an even more effective project manager. Enjoy your streamlined task management experience.